Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Chevy Cruze. We're going to start right away up here on the front end. You have nice chrome accents here in the grille, as you can see. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with BF Goodrich tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk here. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside. You have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted right here to the steering wheel. Full stereo here. That includes your CD player. Climate controls are here as well. And then your manual transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.